friends, I'm Aditi and welcome back to Edumate Aditi. Today, let's talk about one powerful habit, thinking in English. Many students ask me, Aditi, how can I speak faster? The answer is simple. Stop, stop translating in your head. If you always think in your mother tongue and then change in English, you will be slow. Instead, start thinking directly in English. For example, if you see a ball, don't think game first and then ball. Just think ball. If you feel hungry, don't think मुझे भूख लगी है. First, just say I'm hungry. This is called training your mind in English. At first, it feels strange, but your brain gets used to it. And when you think in English, speaking becomes natural. Here's an easy exercise. When you wake up in the morning, describe your actions in English. Say, I'm brushing my teeth, I'm washing my face, I'm eating my breakfast. These small sentences will train your brain to think in English all the time. Remember, thinking in English is like switching your brain's channel. Once you change it, everything becomes easier. So, from today, make a promise, no more translating. We will start thinking in English and speaking will follow naturally. That's all for today's video. I'm Aditi and I'll meet you again in the next video with another simple way to improve your English. Till then, keep thinking in English, keep smiling, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Edumate Aditi. Bye bye.